Okay, did you see yourself?
Hey, can you see yourself?
Yeah!
I can see my sleepy self.
Guys!
Hi
John,
guys!
what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna eat Boodle fight!
Boodle fight!
Boodle
Yay!
fight
Boodle
food.
fight is when you eat with your hands.
Yeah, our food,
Filipino style.
our food for today is this one is ginisang sitaw at saka pritong bangos, milkfish,
This is-
longganisa,
Carabao
longganisa.
testicles? I'm joking.
Longganisa at saka this one is calamari at saka fresh tomato, lumpia Shanghai.
Oh my goodness,
At
thank you
saka
so much.
sausawan, Daddy.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we use the sausawan is the sukang pinakurat.
Nice.
It's a famous in Philippines, sausawan.
And this
It's a
one
bit
is
spicy.
mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise for the
Ketchup.
calamari, ketchup for the
This is regular ketchup, not
yeah, regular
banana
ketchup.
Okay.
Yeah, okay na, sige na dyan, pakos.
Yay! Thank you so much,
Yay!
Mommy. I need to give Mommy an applause. Thank you so much,
You
Mommy.
dip this inside here.
Oh yeah, okay na,
I'm
ready
gonna try
na.
first the calamari.
Ready na.
I love calamari.
Man, I'm hungry. Guys, this
Oh,
is
mommy.
our paniudto. Daddy, paniudto. This is our lunch.
That's right.
This is our lunch. We have a
Yeah.
late lunch today.
Thank you so much, honey. for
You're
this
welcome,
one.
Jan. Do it like this, Jan. Oh, our hands is already clean.
Yeah, Mommy
Eat rice
reminded
like
me
that,
to
Jan.
wash my hands.
Ang calamari, Jan, with the mayonnaise. Try the tomato. Goodness, Jan. This is your.
The calamari tastes good.
It's good and.
Earlier, John kept saying he wanted to try the tomato. Well, that's a tomato. You can try it.
I know you can dip the calamari to the mayonnaise. It's just good.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I was
Yeah.
just eating it plain, but it was delicious. Oh man.
The bangus. Try the bangus. Jan, the fish. Milk fish, Jan, try.
I don't want milk fish.
Oh, milk fish tastes so good. Just a little bit.
Oh wow, this one is amazing. It's so sour.
The sausawan.
Very good.
Oh, Daddy, your sausawan is natural. But try the pinakurat because it's
Oh,
hard.
this is not.
Yeah, this is pinakurat is a bit spicy.
Oh,
Because,
really?
you know, you're a little bit.
Oh yeah. But, ooh. Yeah, that one's too spicy. Oh man.
Yeah, it's spicy for you. But
Yeah,
I like
because I'm
spicy.
so weak with spices. Wow.
The lumpia.
I have a big body, but I'm very weak when it comes to spices.
Yeah, I think it's normal for American.
Yeah. Well, no, some Americans love spices. Yeah.
How good with John?
You know what that means? Time to drink.
It's fun to eat Boodle fight, guys.
That's mine.
Yeah, put it right here.
Try your vegetable, Daddy, the crunchy sitaw.
I already tried the beans.
Okay.
I'm ready to try the bangus.
Bangus, yeah. The bangus is, they're said boneless, but
It's not boneless.
they have a little bit, you know, because bangus, the milkfish is 1,000,000 tons of bones.
Oh man, that's good.
The bangus. John likes the calamari. The calamari and the mayonnaise is
Good
so
for
good.
you. You like calamari, John. I want to try the carabao.
No, not the carabao.
I'm
Longganisa.
just joking. I
Carabao.
like your quick reaction. No, it's not carabao.
Carabao is a very, very
Daddy.
chewy meat.
I would not really eat it if it was carabao.
No.
I could put my paper towel all the way over there.
You sure can because it's almost out of the camera. Perfect. The longanisa is amazing, honey.
Yeah, the longganisa.
Man,
John, you wanna try the longganisa?
it's sweet, but it's not super sweet. The longanisa.
Then ang longganisa and the ketchup, John.
Yeah, and the bangus is delicious too.
I like longganisa with the sausawan.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Yeah, because the sweet with the
Because the fish was getting revenge on me. It was sticking in my. It was getting revenge.
but you,
The fish is like, "You're eating me." The fin was sticking in my throat.
yeah. I think you can see if you look like this, you can see the small bones. John, huwag pa ng piling.
This is
Don't do that.
how we should eat every day.
Oh, man. It's
So much hard
heaven.
work for you.
It's heaven.
Heaven and earth.
Oh wow, this is so nice.
some mayonnaise in there.
The calamari, but
Okay,
guys,
here.
we buy this one
Just
at
mix it around. You won't see it anymore.
when we buy the calamari at Costco. It's already made.
Here, like this. Gone.
John's favorite is lumpia. It's good, huh?
This is so good. Man.
Look at the crunchy. Jan, this is your time to eat tomato. Mmm. It's good.
John, you're so lucky your mom is from Philippines. And that she can cook so well.
I'm using that tomato.
The what? Tomato.
That one tastes good for me.
I thought you said tornado.
I
I was like, wow, good for you. You can eat tornadoes.
love tomatoes.
Mmm.
Tomatoes taste
Oh, you need more? There's more tomato there.
No.
Thank you, John. John likes the tomato, and especially that tomato is
You
crunchy.
need your napkin back again?
No, we have more here.
Did you say yes?
Yes or no?
Here, let's put it here. It's hard to choose what's the best.
My the best is the bangus and the lumpia
I love the
and the
calamari,
green beans.
the longanisa,
Sitaw.
the tomato is good, the
Ano?
lumpia is always amazing.
Yeah, lumpia. Yan. Longganisa, oh. The longganisa, guys, we buy this one at Asian market. It's already made.
I never ate my rice. I'm so busy eating the other stuff.
Nice, you know to use how to use your hands.
Oh, it was already clumpy.
Let's do it
I know
like
you
this,
just
Daddy,
squeeze
oh.
it.
Let's do it like
I know,
that.
yeah, you just squeeze it.
Yeah, squeeze it like that.
No,
It's good.
just squeeze it.
Ang sarap magkamay.
Thank you so much. This is amazing. It's amazing how I can live to be more than 40 years old before I've tried a Boodle fight. You know what I mean?
Because-
Just because, you know, us
Filipino.
Americans,
Yeah.
Americans don't know how to do this.
Yeah. It's good. John, the beans try. Because John is sleepy. John has no nap today.
Oh, wow. I just woke up from my
He's
nap.
busy playing.
You're so sweet. You let me nap while you were cooking. That's amazing. Very sweet.
Enjoy them.
I want some more tomato.
Okay.
Nice. He really does like. You really do like tomatoes.
Daddy, you think I didn't like tomatoes,
That's
but
right.
I really do like
Because recently we had a video where you said you didn't like tomatoes, but you like ketchup.
My sasawan is still so good because of this pinakurat, sukang pinakurat.
I can see why you like that one. It's just a little bit spicy for me,
Yeah, it's spicy
but
for
the
you.
flavor is really nice.
Yeah. Because they have already spice. Yeah, ingredients.
What made the sausage that shape, Mommy?
Oh, because I sliced. That's why
Oh,
it's like
because when you were cooking it, you were testing. Okay,
because I like really cooked. I don't like
right. You're making sure it's perfectly cooked.
perfectly cooked.
So good.
It's good. How about it's good? John is really hungry too.
Nobody wants to pour bananas.
Not yet.
I'm growing.
You have all this nice food, and they offer you banana. You're like, no, thank you.
John, how about the banana? Gusto mo banana saging?
No, ma'am.
That is this good, honey. You have more calamari here, oh. Anak, that is that with the sausawan.
Yeah, it's true. I forgot to eat it because busy.
The milk fish and the Susan, man. It's good. And the gulay? Very good. You know, Jen, the calamari, Jen, is a pusit.
Mommy, this looks like an
This is
onion
good.
ring. This
Yeah.
looks like an onion
Looks
ring.
like.
That is the onion ring. Oh no, it's the calamari. I forgot.
This so good. This so good, Makamay. This so good. Use to your hands.
Mommy swam in the ocean and she caught that squid and she wrestled it back to the
man.
beach.
That's really hard work.
And she sliced it up. No.
I need more tomato.
Wow.
I like the tomato because it's
Getting full.
yeah. Really, you can eat all the tomato, Jen?
Yeah.
Wow.
Really, you can eat all that? Let's see.
So 8 4 pieces already.
I was wondering what's happening to my calamaris because Jen is eating that calamari.
I'm not really eating because I enjoy my fish.
Who's eating my calamari?
Now it's this guy. This guy
Now
is
it's my guy.
eating. Eat this one first.
Lupag ba? Is this good, the calamari with the mayonnaise, ha?
Yes, ma'am.
I like all with the sausawan.
I'm done.
Gulay daddy.
Thank you so much. I ate several pieces of
Okay.
gulai.
Jan, kumusta ka dyan? Tahimik ka dyan ngayon, ha?
Daddy,
Yes, sir.
a tulay is a bridge.
Yeah.
What's that, right?
Tulay, yeah.
Tulay, a bridge. Wow, good job,
Ang
Jen.
Tagalog is tulay.
What if they took a bridge and they made it into vegetables? You can't do that.
You can't do that.
I finished my fish already.
Oh my gosh, what a great meal. Thank you so much, honey.
Oh, you finished the calamari?
Just about.
Jan's still eating.
The longanisa is amazing.
Oh, banana, saging.
Oh no, thank you. That's what I was just joking about.
Uh-uh.
When you have this kind of delicious food, if somebody offers you a plain banana, your answer is no, thank you.
No, thank you.
Because this food is too amazing. But you know, if you didn't have this delicious food and someone offers you a banana, you're like, okay, thank you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Gusto mo
It's a
saging dyan?
nice combination of flavors also.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The question is, can you eat all this tomorrow or the next
Yeah.
day?
2 more days.
Take you 2 days to eat?
Yeah.
Wow, I almost drink a whole bottle of water. Almost. Think I can finish it? You look like a little monkey.
I'm almost finished too.
Oh, really?
Daddy, look, I'm almost finished.
It's good. I like the fish the best.
Oh, I'm getting lower and lower and lower.
John likes the chewy calamari. We forgot to eat the banana leaf. I guess if you started eating that, you would just be too hungry. Something is wrong.
Oh, yeah.
Something is wrong. You need a
Something is
doctor.
wrong.
Why are you eating the banana leaf?
Jan, did you eat your tomato?
No. John's eyes are too big for his belly. You know what that means? It means your brain tells you you want to eat it, but your belly tells you you don't want to eat it. Your eyes are too big for your belly.
The pinakurat is just good for me.
Yeah, it has a nice flavor. If it wasn't spicy, it would be amazing.
No.
Does pinakurat have an English translation?
Yeah.
What does it mean in English?
Pinakurat is like they're shocking you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Shocking.
Shocking
Because
vinegar.
spicy. Because spicy.
It's spicy and a
Is
lot
that
of
what they
flavor.
mean? That's what they mean by shock.
Yeah. Pinakurat is a Bisaya language. Bisaya.
Bisaya. Bisaya. That's where mommy is from, where they speak Bisaya.
Messiah.
Bisaya. Don't
Made
forget
in
your.
Iligan City. Yeah, Bisaya.
Don't forget your
Shout out!
shout outs.
John, can you shout out, John?
The first one we can do. We know that person, don't we?
Yeah.
Want to help me? Hi
Hi
to
to
Miss.
Miss Doris Chan.
Try
Hi,
it
Miss
without being
Doris
angry.
Chan.
No, I'm not being
Be
angry.
friendly.
I'm not being angry, but I don't want you to say it. I want to say it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
No.
Now you don't want to say it. My goodness. Pleasing you is a difficult thing.
You know, one more.
Hi to Mrs. Doris Chan. Hi.
Hi, Miss Doris Chan. We miss you.
Thank you for always watching.
No, she's always watching. And to her sister too. They're both beautiful lady.
Where you
I
going?
don't want to eat.
Right, your belly said, I'm tired. That's what happened to me.
And hi to Miss Maricel from Dubai. Hi, Maricel.
Hi, Maricel from Dubai.
It's Leah's co-worker.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, we need to say bye-bye na.
Want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you always for watching.
for
Bye-bye.
watching.
We love all of our viewers, don't we?
Don't forget to like and share to your
Bye-bye.
friends. Jan, say to them.
Yeah, share to all your friends.
Share to all your
Bye-bye.
friends.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Mwah, 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 chup, chup. I hope
Wanna
you like
say
the video.
mwah. Mwah.
We're still eating.
Let's see your big belly. Can you show us your big belly again? Whoa, big belly. Boom, 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 boom. Turn this way so they can see it even better. Turn this way. Wow, what a big belly. Boom, 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 boom.
Dad, why are we not doing the live?
I would show you my big belly, but it would just break the table.
Yeah.
Which is just, the table would just say.
I can see your big belly.
What were you asking before I did my belly joke?
I'm talking.
You were gonna ask me something, I think.
I forgot what
Well,
I
that's
was
okay.
talking about.
You'll remember later.
Tomatoes are my favorite.
I think we should give Mommy a round of applause for such a wonderful meal.
Thank
you
you.
so much, Mommy.
Thank you.
Woo!
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mommy is so amazing. But not just because you can cook. You're always so sweet
Oh,
and
thank
helpful.
you so much. It's a
Mommy
great
is-
compliments to me.
Mommy is the best thing ever
Daddy,
happened to me.
Tomatoes are my favorite.
Mommy and John.
Thank you,
Tomatoes are
Daddy.
my favorite.
Tomatoes are your favorite. I don't
Number two
believe-
is? Number two?
I think lumpia by far is his real
I
favorite.
know.
No, tomato is.
Do you mean you just like the way tomatoes look?
No, I like the way how they taste.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll believe you. If you're so insistent, I will believe you.
Dun, dun, dun,
Hey, can we
dun.
do a Mickey Mouse impersonation?
Hello, everybody.
Try it loud.
Hello,
No, do it like this. Hello, everybody. He talks quick but super high. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
His ox quit but super high.
Yeah, very high pitched, but he talks fast. Hello, everybody.
Hello,
Can you sing a song for them? Malaki.
Malava.
Malaha.
Tomatoes moochie moochie. Potatoes goochie.
Remember your Italian song?
Da 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 doo. Da 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 luci. Da 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 luci.
Sound really Italian. Da la la luci. Da la la
Daddy,
Lucci.
la 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 Lucci.
La 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 Lucci.
La la la
La la la Lucci.
La la
La la la Lucci.
la 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 Lucci.
La 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 Lucci.
La 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 Lucci.
Let's bounce into mommy. La 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 Lucci. La 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 Lucci.
Lord. Super full. Thank you so much.
Whoa.
Whoa, careful.
Mm.
Yeah, mommy deserves big kisses.
That's it. Too much.
Mommy deserves big kisses.
Johnny,
All the
Johnny is
time.
always sweet.
Mommy is still eating. Mommy, you made a delicious meal. I know why you're still eating. It tastes so good.
I'm hungry because this is our late lunch.
That's true. You've been awake the whole time cooking,
Yeah, because no,
and I was asleep. Mommy, let me sleep. You're so sweet.
because I'm ready the slice
Yeah,
preparation.
and you even let me sleep late. That was super sweet. Mommy is
Yeah.
very
A
nice.
preparation.
Mommy is a very nice
Preparation.
person. And John got Mommy's super sweetheart. I can hear you breathing when I hit your back. It's you sound like a little tiny puppy dog. Yeah. Oh.
The bangus is still so
Daddy,
good.
when it's not cold, you and me?
You want to go outside and find some clay?
Yeah.
Yeah, John likes to dig to find clay.